Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabit from CodeRevolution. So today I bring a new update to the Newsomatic plugin. If you haven't heard of this plugin, go ahead and check it in this video description. So the latest update is based on suggestions from your part. So you will be able to replace parts of the post titles that the plugin will publish, or even remove parts of it and simply strip parts of the title. So this is an update that you guys requested, and let me show you how it will function. So you will be able to do this using Regex. The run Regex on title settings field was added in the latest plugin version, and also replace title matches from Regex. These are two settings fields added in the latest plugin version. So let me show you how this will work, and I will demonstrate this on a news source, Australian Financial Review. So let's import free posts on from this site, and let's run importing. Let's check our site, it's empty, and after importing is finished, we will get free posts from the Australian Financial Review site. So the green check mark appeared. If we refresh our site now, the free posts appeared, and we can see that the title of the post contained this, the Australian Financial Review. So they add in the titles their site name. So to solve this issue, we can go to posts, click on a post that we imported, and copy the part that you wish to remove. Simply copy it and go click settings on the rule that you edited and paste the part that you wish to remove in the run Regex on title settings field. Save it, delete the post that you imported. We can see that they disappeared from the main page of the site, and run importing again in the plugin. Now the plugin will run the Regex expression that we created on the titles, and they will be with the unwanted part removed. Also, the great part of this is that we can also replace the text with something else. Let's say CodeRevolution news. So save settings, delete the old posts, run importing again, refresh. They will reappear really fast, this time with CodeRevolution news added to the title. So go ahead guys and check this functionality. Also, for advanced users, you can use a site like regexer.com and create your own regexes, because if you know Regex, you can match characters from text, and you can use wildcards, and you can use pattern matches, and many more options to match and replace the titles that Newsomatic will create. So this functionality will be really great if you also check the Regex functionality on regexer.com. You can test the regexes that you write. So here you can test your expression and what matches on the text that you enter. So yeah, this is the latest update for Newsomatic. Keep in mind that this was suggested by you guys, so if you have other suggestions, just let me know in the comments of this video, and I will be glad to read them and to think on them. So yeah, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. Check Newsomatic, it is linked in this video description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.